Hi guys, my name is Gian Bawengen and now I will show you about Bubur Manado and Go Manado and as well the short history about it. Bubur Manado, a cuisine that represented North Sulawesi. It is not known when it is founded, but it is really popular in the late 1970s and known as Tinutuan. The ingredient is so simple. We need some pumpkin, cassava, some salt, MSG, then we can add some rice also. But the main thing is kangkung and some vegetable. Now let me show you the step how to make bubur manado. At first we will put the pumpkin in the boiling water and let it become soft. Next we will be adding some cassava and let it become soft also like the pumpkin. When it turns into yellow like this, we can add some corn and let it sit for a couple more minutes until the cassava is really soft. Now we are adding some salt and now we add a couple more of MSG. Next we'll add some vegetable like kangkung. Then we can add some water to make it not really sticky. Now it is ready to be served. Now we are going to make gohu manado. In Manado language, gohu means sweet. So this is a sweet from Manado, but the taste is not really sweet because there is some salt and vinegar that make it taste like so salty and savory. The ingredient is just simple. We need some young papaya, vinegar, salt, sugar and chili paste. We will mix the chili paste with the water and stir it up. As now we are adding 5 tablespoons of sugar to the mixed water, adding salt to them. Now we will be adding some vinegar to the water that we mixed from the beginning. Now we will be adding some papaya that we already cut from the beginning. Stir it up and ready to serve.